Hey YouTube, welcome back to Welding with Grandad. I thought today I've just found some pieces in a clear out that I'll talk about trailing gases and backing gases. As you know, I do a lot of work with the grandchildren and they do school projects. And the one weekend we made trailing gases out of 22mm copper pipe drilled, put a bar across, and then you put a diffuser in, which in this case was just wire wool. It's not the perfect thing because you can contaminate welds, but it was an exercise in soldering and a bit of brazing. But that worked quite well. So you actually travel along the weld, you have a gas supply which you feed from a separate meter, set the flow rate, probably 5 litres a minute did us. And then there's another one, which it's not the one we used, where it was a solid front, so you don't get contamination from the wire. You can tell how old it is, it's rusted. So it's probably 5 or 6 years ago. That one's soldered and brazed. But the main one, the backing gas, it's what we used to use in the welding school, where you feed back gas down the back of the weld, especially with stainless steel to keep it clean. But we used it for steel, for mild steel. And my granddaughter, number one, did an ASME 9 qualification, which was tested at a lab near Birmingham, radiographed and everything else. And this was one of the forerunners to the test piece that she did. And as you can see, it keeps it clean at the back. You can see each ripple. When it was new and just done, it was actually shiny with, you know, all the colours of the rainbow through it. And we picked up a fault, which she rectified for the next one. We never finished it off, we just got straight on with another route. And there it is. It's a bit heavy, but, you know, she's learning. But nice welder anyway. But the unit itself, it's just 2 pieces of 2-inch 1/8 flat or 50mm by 3mm flat, and then down the back there I've got a bit of hollow section blanked off, connector to the cylinder for the backing supply, and various holes drilled down. And then these things here, you slide it in and you just put a couple of wedges in to hold it in place and stop it distorting. And it did an excellent job. So that's of use. End of video.